Hello and welcome to South of Cross Go. Now I'm going to show you today what the locals do for fun of a weekend. So while all the tourists are sitting in Kuta in bars and restaurants and down the beach for sunset, this is what the locals are doing. So I just met another YouTuber here. We just swapped subs. He's from Indonesia. Alright, so these aren't tadpoles, they're little baby lele. They're like a catfish. Chicken lele. There's not that much on this side, it's all on the other side, so we'll see if we can go over the other side and get a park spot and have a look. Hello sir. Grapes. So they got new stairs here for the boats and that, look. Huh? Okay, so we crossed over the other side of the river. Some satay. We'll have a walk through. It's way more busy on this side of the road, this side of the river. And they've got ice cream machine. Wow, they've got everything down here. Hello, Ibu. The people are really friendly. They all want to say hello. No, they got samosas, kentang goreng chips, sausages. Majorly. Look. So the kids on the horses. Silverman. Got the kids playing a fishing game here. And a Ruja. Little trampoline jumping castles. Wow, it's really busy. You can see all the families come down, just sit around the river, have something to eat, let the kids play. Hello. Hey, Blue. And he's got his wife and all the babies here. Wild chickens. Sempol. Sempol ayam. Hah?
Telur gulung.
Sempol itu. You see here the kids, they let them paint, doing pictures. SpongeBob. Kucing. Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Hello. And over here we got a little train for the kids. Go on, wave. Hello. So the kids got a little train ride. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Mr. Balloon Man selling balloons for the kids. There you are. Well, I lost Julie. She's over here buying what? Crepes. All right. Chocolate and cheese. So what do you get?
Nutella and cheese. I want banana, but you don't have banana.
So Yeli's one's got Nutella and cheese and a bit of condensed milk, like a sweet. Nutella, cheese and condensed milk and crepe. Good? Okay, that's 15,000 was it? What did I do? Do a blue about $2. So while all the tourists are sitting in Kuta in bars and restaurants and down the beach for sunset, this is what the locals are doing. This is their idea of fun, and it really is. The kids love it, especially the boat rides. Whoop. Come on, Liz. Come on, Liz. Keep going. A lot of people are scared of the dog. I've got Lucy, my dog, with me. What do you reckon, Liz? You're not scary, are you? So these are the little boats that they rent, take the kids for rides in. And do the horse rides up and down here. There's horses up ahead. More kids painting. So here we've got the big jumping castle for the kids. Oi. We've got the horse rides. Right, so here's a hunting game. They've got these BB guns. Whoa! They fire out little, like Nerf balls, little darts. Wow, she's pretty good.
Good, boss, good.
Good. I'm the only Westerner here. Everyone's looking at me with the film. It's really busy. There's got to be a good 1,000 people at least down here on the river. And it gets busier before sunset. Comes the horse again. And that's about it. That's what the locals do of a Sunday. Come down to the river, have a bit of fun with the kids. And yeah. Wow, it's getting busier and busier all the time. Right. Alright, so now we're going to get back to the bike without getting run over.